Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna wire this dude. So this is the old harness that I'm gonna chop out the generator charging wire from, and probably also the oil light. But pretty much the whole rest of it's gonna get scrapped. So let me show you the wiring diagram I made up. So this is how I'm planning to wire this thing. Pretty simple, just a key switch ignition with a momentary start. And I usually try to at least lay out what I'm doing. I actually have 3 wires going up the headlight, but this one shows coming this way. It's actually going to go all the way around, but that's neither here nor there. Trying to have just one loom going straight up to the headlight with only 3 wires. And then everything else is going to be between, I'm pointing at the camera, it's going to be between the key switch, the starter, and then the ignition coil. There. So let's get at it. Now that we harvested the wires we need out of the old harness, let's put on the voltage regulator. I'm running the generator loom I just harvested behind the cam cover and up to the key switch and battery and coil. Now I can install the electronic ignition and feed the wires down through the cam cover and fish them up all the way up to the coil. Now I'm going to run the headlight loom from the key switch up to the headlight area, and I'm going to enclose it in this heat shrink loom that I got off of Amazon. It's great stuff. Time to wire up the key switch now, and I've also included the tail light wiring so that I can handle the brake light switch and all of that. Okay, so this key switch is not marked, so I'm going to use my voltmeter to figure it out. Actually, it's just continuity meter, right? So one of these is the battery coming in. I'm gonna guess it's number 1. That guy right there. If that's the case, there should be no continuity with any of them. Okay, so I go to 1. So that's the run position. And then I go here. Let's see if I can hold that. That's the start. So 3 is start, and 1 is battery, 2 is run. Now that I know what the key switch does, I can wire it appropriately. All the accessories to the run position along with a coil, and 1 wire to the starter from the start position. Now let's make some battery cables. Now I'm just tidying things up, looming some of the wires together, getting it all ready to tuck away so you'll never see it again. You know, watching wiring isn't nearly as much fun as it is to actually do it. Although many people hate this part of the project, honestly, I enjoy it. It's just relaxing. Hardest part is just getting everything nice and neat and tidy, and all the connections made where they're supposed to. But at the end of the day, it's just a process, and it's part of the build. Well, I won't torture you with any more wiring footage. That's about all I got. Didn't really know how to end this video, so I guess this is it. Thanks y'all for watching. Appreciate it very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.